All hail Biafra. The people of the Most High Chukwu Okike Abiama, I greet you all. From now on, fire will burn evil people, burn their properties. This is the time. If anybody die from now, don't feel sorry for that person. From now on, justice is here. Biafra is here. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra. We went to Alochukwu to do ritual for this particular thing I'm talking about now. So things will start happening. We do ritual for IPOB, for Biafra restoration, to bring down the kingdom of heaven here on earth. That is the ordinary, our tradition. That is Biafra. Biafra is the religion. The religion is ordinary. Ordinary is Biafra. The supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Now, this is time for you to visit Alochukwu. You have a message from Alochukwu. You have to go there. This is a message for you. Our people will come to you. Ordinary group will come to you and deliver the message. And you have to go to Alochukwu and answer the call from Alochukwu. Alochukwu own Biafra. The spirit of Chukwu Abiama own Biafra. So you have to answer the call. Go to Alochukwu. You have to go to Alochukwu. Our people are coming to you. You must go to Alochukwu and visit the shrine. The holy shrine in Alochukwu. You must go there and visit the shrine. Very, very important. Oh, hey, Biafra. Biafra must be restored. Nothing can stop it. Any human being that guy against Biafra must fall. Queen Elizabeth can never go free. Anybody that persecutes Biafra can never ever go free. Nothing like forgiveness here. We are not talking about forgiveness. We are Biafrans. The pain is too much for us. We cannot continue bear that pain. Enemy will start from there. We take the pain. Then we go back to who we are. Chukwu Abiama have started work immediately. Anybody on the way must fall. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu message for you. You have to visit Alochukwu now. Our people are coming to deliver the message for you. You have to go. Must. Shabbat is the abomination. Christianity is the abomination to us. Those religions, we don't need them in Biafra land. Islam, we don't need them in Biafra land. Ordinary. Our tradition, ancient tradition, is Biafra religion. We are not begging anybody. It's must. Everybody must come back to justice. We are talking about justice here. Ordinary is justice. They told us that is evil because they know that he is the most powerful. That when ordinary is holy, nobody can do evil in Biafra land and go free. They know that. Then we have gone back there. Nobody can do evil and go free in Biafra land. That is the most powerful security on earth. Thank you, Biafrans. Biafra is here. All hail Biafra. My name is Onyechukwu Ezosika. I'm from already now go at Anambra Biafra land. I live here in Leeds, United Kingdom. We must restore Biafra. Hausa Fulani know that Biafra have come. The satanic Yoruba people know that Biafra have come. Yoruba, this is time for you to demand for Oduduwa and stand for that. Nothing like one Nigeria is not working. It can never work. It's impossible. Biafra is here. All hail Biafra.